This is Chris from FXStrategy.com taking a look at the upcoming September 13th Forex session. In the dollar CAD, as you can see, we had a bit of a rise for the session, but it should be noted that the 98 handle is the bottom of a fairly massive consolidation area. So the fact that we are below that is rather disconcerting for the dollar bulls. We have the Fed coming out with its announcement later today, and there is expected to be quantitative easing in that announcement by many in the marketplace. If we manage to break the lows of the candles of both Tuesday and Wednesday, then we think this market can continue much lower. And in fact, based upon the consolidation area that we just broke out of from 1.04 to 0.98, that suggests a 600 pip move from here, which gives us a target of 0.92. That is possible. It sounds outrageous, but remember, at one point or another, anything below 1.30 was outrageous in this pair. That doesn't mean it has to happen tomorrow. However, if we manage to rise and get above the 0.9950 area, we would consider this a reversal, a false breakout, and a continuation of the consolidation back up to 104. In an interesting pair, the dollar yen had a retest of the 78 handle for the session, but as you can see, failed to hold those gains. We have a nice shooting star, and typically this is a nice sell signal from a technical analysis point of view, but we cannot ignore the fact that the Bank of Japan has been manipulating this market. It's been working clandestinely right around the 78 and 76 handle by its own admissions. So the fact that we have broke down below 78, of course, was substantial, but we also have to keep in mind the Fed is expected to ease later today. Look for whatever the announcement is to push the market in the appropriate direction. For example, if the Fed doesn't ease, it's very possible this market shoots straight up as people start to buy dollars, because we already know the Bank of Japan is going to try to weaken the yen. If we do get a little bit of a drop from here, we think that that sell signal would only last very short term, as it would only be a matter of time before the BOJ starts to support the market. Because of this, we are very leery of selling at this point in time. For FXStrategy.com, this has been a look ahead at the September 13th Forex session in the dollar loonie and dollar yen pairs.